Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn dark mode on in Snapchat. First of all, make sure to update your Snapchat application to its updated version, then open your Snapchat. Click on your profile icon, and here you will see the setting gear icon. Scroll down and look for I need help. In the search box, type dark mode. Now we will follow these instructions provided and see the results. We're gonna go to settings again, app appearance, and click on always dark. Now you can enjoy your Snapchat in dark mode. Simple as that. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to comment it down below and we will help you.